Hi there, my name is Craig. Welcome to the channel. Today is a very wet, blustery, windy, wintry day here in Auckland. And what better time than to do a demonstration of how to set up a simple system for tracking conversions on Google Tag Manager. Now this is the simplest way that I know. I use it for all my clients. It works very well in the reporting. They get a lot of value from it. So does Google, because they know what we're looking for as far as conversions go. So it will only take 3 minutes. Come with me to the computer now. I'll show you exactly what I do and we'll do a live demonstration. So guys, I'm going to use this website here, optimalhealthforlife.com. It's just one I'm just working on using a bit of AI to build some content. And what I've done on the right hand side here is put a dummy phone number, a dummy email and a form. Now with this form here, when you fill it out, and you'll get redirected to a thank you page. There it is. So, okay, that was my phone saying I just got a lead. Right, so that's the process here. So when someone gets to the thank you page, that is considered a lead. And if they click on the phone number from a mobile device, or if they click on the email to email, that's also, a conversion. So what we'll do, jump over to Google Tag Manager, and if you have multiple accounts, you'll get presented with a screen like this with everybody there. And in that case, you just come up here to the 3 dots and click Create Container. If you are new to Tag Manager, just go to tagmanager.google.com and create an account. And then you'll need to go and create a container also. So don't create an account for every new website. Go in here and click on these 3 dots, Create Container. So we'll do that now. Optimal Health. I'll go for web and go create. So what Google Tag Manager will do now is give you some code to put on the site. So we'll just copy that. That's the head. Come back. There is another plugin you can use called Headers and Footers that does the same sort of thing, but we'll just go with this for the time being. Right, so we've got our one there. We'll just go into settings and go back and get our code again. So that we can. Right, so we'll put that number in there and go Save Changes. And right click. We should have Tag Manager in the code now. Tag Manager. There it is. And CVP2, we'll just double check that. CVP2, okay, that's the one there. Right, so we've got our Tag Manager installed on our site, and now we can set up some conversions for these ones here. So we'll jump back into Tag Manager, and the first thing you need to do in Tag Manager is go into Variables. Here, and you want to open up these ones here. So you're going to go Configure and come down to where it says Clicks and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so make sure those are all checked and it updates automatically. Cool. Right, so what we need to do now is go and set up some new tags. So what we want to do in here, we want to actually track people who click on our email address, people who click on our mobile phone number from mobile device, and anybody who fills out our little form. So we'll click on here and go new here, and we're going to call this one click on email. So what we'll do here is just go Google Analytics, because we want to report this back to Analytics, and this is going to be an event. So we're going to call this one click, and it's going to be email. And then we want to choose our variable. Now, if you haven't set this up already, you'll need to set up your Google Analytics number in here, which is very simple to do. And if that wasn't there, they'd ask you to set it up. And they'll talk you through it. It's very, very simple. I won't show you. It's just too easy. Now, the triggering, we have a choice on here. We can trigger things by all pages or all sorts of things. But what we want to do is we want to do a click. So we're going to call this one click on email. This is the trigger. So we come in here and we want a link. So what we're sort of saying here is that we want some link clicks. So come down here and put click URL contains mail to two dots. Okay, so if we go and look at our site and look at this one here at the actual code, if we inspect the code, there'll be a mail to in there somewhere. And there it is there. You can see mail to with the two little dots there. So that's what we're going to tell Google to look for. And as long as it contains that, that's going to, and someone clicks on it, this thing is going to trigger and be a conversion. So we'll save that. Save that. And then the next one we want to do is we want to do the same thing for the phone number. So we'll go click on phone number. There. Tag configuration is going to be Google Analytics once again. We're going to have an event. We're going to say it's a click and it's going to be the phone number. So we're reporting this data back to Google Analytics. So we'll come back here and trigger, and we need to create a new trigger here, and we're going to call this one click on phone number. And we're going to come down here to just links, some links, click URL contains TEL two dots. So same deal, we come over here, get rid of that, and inspect this one here, inspect. We will see there it is there, TEL two dots. Right, so we've done that. We go save, save, and we're good to go. Now the third one, which is our form, we will do that on Google Analytics. What we can do now is just preview, and that will just let us know if our tags are working or not. So click on preview, we're connected, go continue, and you can see tags fired, there are none, tags not fired, that's our two there. So if we go to the page here, which will be up here, there it is, and we come down and click on our phone number, click, and click on our email, click, and go back to our page, and you'll see there's the tags are fired. Click on email, click on phone number. So it's definitely working, and that's what we want to hear. So what we do now is go into Google Analytics. We're going to set up the events in there so Analytics can report it in a fashion that we can explain to clients. So we'll come in here. Now, just ignore this. I had already done this. I was halfway through, my phone rang and someone knocked on the door. I got confused of which one I was actually doing. So just ignore these. Pretend this is a blank screen. In fact, I'll just blank it out so it's gone. So you won't lose focus. But what we do here is go new goal. And what we want to do is we want to come down to custom. Okay, and go continue. And we want to call this one click on phone number. All right, and it's an event. Go continue, and the category is a click. Got to spell this exactly as you put it into Tag Manager, and the action is phone, and we'll just go save. Right, so this one's live, okay, so forget the other ones. Then go next one, custom, continue, name is click on email, and this is going to be an event. Continue, category is click, email, save. So we've got two goals that are live now. There they are, those two are live, okay. So what we'll do now is we need a new goal for the thank you page. And we've got our thank you page there. So this is where somebody has filled out the form, they get redirected to the thank you page. That is a conversion. So we're going to go new goal, and we're going to go custom, continue, and this is a thank you page, conversion. So we've got somebody's made an inquiry. So what we want to do here is click on destination, go continue, and we want equal to our thank you page, which is there, and we're going to go save. And we are done. So we're pretty much done to go. So what you can do just to test things out, go into real time here. And we can see there's me in Auckland. I'm the only person on the site at the moment, and my sources come from Tag Assistant. So if we come down to events, we may see some history there, or it might be nothing. Yes, okay, so we can see there are our clicks. Okay, and if I fill out this form again, so I'll just go back to the site and fill out the form, submit. Good, this will go to the thank you page shortly. There it is. We should get that live as well. Okay, that's my phone. And there it is. We can see our thank you page conversion is reporting. Perfect. Now it takes 24 hours for the data to update, so I'll just show you one that is in action now. So you go to acquisition, all traffic channels, and over here we'll see all the traffic that we're getting, the source of the traffic, and the number of conversions each traffic source is providing. So we have all goals, and this one is 96, so this is for the last week. And from here we can see which ones. So this client only has 2 goals that we're tracking. One is if someone fills out the form and it redirects to the thank you page, and the next one if they click on the mobile device, click on the phone number from a mobile phone. So the other one, email, there is no email on the site. That's done on purpose because we want to control everything coming in the inquiries. But as I say, you can go through and you can see your source of traffic and which one is getting you the most leads. Very useful for reporting. Okay guys, that concludes the Google Tag Manager setup today. If you found that easy, comment below. If you've got any questions, comment below. I'm just outside, first time for a long time, and we have still got the wind. There it is. Still very, very windy. And you can see all the debris on the driveway there. It's come down. Okay guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Catch you later. Bye.